வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, ஜேஎஸ் ரெஃப்ரிஜரேட்டர்லேருந்து உங்கள் ஸ்டாலின். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா சாம்சங் வாஷிங் மிஷின் எரர் கோடு தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலை முதல் தடவை நீங்கள் பார்க்குறதா இருந்தால் நம்மளுடைய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் பட்டன் அழுத்துங்க. வாங்க நண்பர்களே, நம்ம எரர் கோடை பார்க்கலாம்.
Error code number UE4. This is not a fault. The appliance detecting an unbalanced error. Stop spinning for safety reasons. Spinner overloaded. Error code number UC. Exclusion fluctuation in the supply voltage. Switch off the appliance and restart again. Error code number TE1, TE2 and TE3. Temperature sensor issue. Please call customer care support for the help. Error code number TE or EC. Temperature sensor issue. Switch off the appliance and start again. Error code number SUB. This occurs when too much of foam detected and is displayed while foaming is being removed. This is not a fault. The machine will cure by its own. Error code number T1EE2, T2TST. Appliance in test mode. Switch off the appliance and restart again. Error code number OE, OF or E3. Overflow error. Too much of washing powder or liquid added. Switch off and restart again. Error code number LE, LE1 or E911E. Natural drain, water leak. Low water level detected during cycle. Check for water level and water leak. Error code number HOT. Appliance too hot. This is not a fault. This prevents heater fault. Error code number HE3. Steam function does not operate properly. Please call customer care support for help. Error code number HE2. Dryer, heater not functioning. Please call customer care support for help. Error code number HE1 or E5. Water heater not functioning. Please call customer care support for help. Error code number HE. Water temperature issue. Please call customer care support. Error code number H1. Water temperature issue. Please call customer care support. Error code number FE. Fan error. Please call customer care support for help. Error code number DE2. On-off switch error. Button is being operated continuously or stuck. Please disconnect appliance for few minutes and then try again. Error code number DE1 or ED. Door issue. Check the door fully closed. Check nothing is trapped or stuck in door, or check the machine is overloaded. Error code number CE or E8. Water cool down issue. Check whether the water hose connected to cold supply and not in hot supply. Error code number BE3 or 18E. Button defective issue. Please call customer care support for help. Error code number BE2 or B2 or 14E. Control button issue. Button hold in too long. Check whether any of the button stucking or sticking. Error code number BE1 or 12E. Power button issue. Button hold in too long. Check whether any of the button sticking or stuck. Error code number BE. Motor issue. Switch off the appliance and restart again. Still having problem? Please call the customer care support for help. Error code number AE13E. Signal communication error between main PCB and sub PCB. Switch off the appliance and restart again. Still having the problem? Please call the customer care support team for help. Error code number 9E2 or PLO. Power error. Switch off the appliance and restart again. Still having the problem? Please call the customer care support team for help. Error code number 9E1 or PH1. Power error. Switch off the appliance and restart again. Still having the problem? Please call the customer care support team for help. Error code number 8E. Overcurrent error. Switch off the appliance and restart again. Still having the problem? Please call the customer care support team for help. Error code number 6F. This is not an error code. Please call the customer care support team for help. Error code number 6E. Water heater not functioning. So, please call the customer care support team for help. Error code number E2 or 5E. Water drainage issue. Check drainage pump filter for blockage, then select spin cycle to drain the remaining water. Is there may be a coins or something will be stuck there. Error code number 4ED, 4E1, 4E2. Water temperature error. Check water hose is connected to a cold supply and not to a hot supply. Error code number E1 or E4. Water supply error. Check the water level or water hose inlet valve. Error code number EA, EB, 3E, 3E1, 3E2, 3E3, 3E4. Motor defect. Switch off the machine and restart again. Error code number E7 or 1E. Water level sensor issue. Switch off the machine and restart again. Check the water level too. Thank you for watching.